Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to ask to save passwords in Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to ask to save passwords in Firefox browser Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Privacy and Security menu. Now here you are in the Privacy and Security menu. Scroll down to find the Password menu. Then tap Ask to save passwords. This feature allows Firefox to offer to save passwords when users log in, making it easier to access on subsequent visits. So that's it, the tutorial how to ask to save passwords in Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.